Hello everyone, how are you? A lot of people have asked me a question. Do we need to write a cover letter to apply for a job? And my answer is always yes, you need to have a cover letter. Cover letter is very important because it can make a difference for either you will be shortlisted for the interview or you will be ignored. So you need to always put an extra effort to write an effective cover letter. So during last 16 years of experience, I have learned that each cover letter should be customized to include and consider following questions. Which job you are applying for? Have you learned about the job opening? Why you think that you are right fit for the job? What you can offer to the company? And why you want to work in this company, etc. So these questions need to be answered when you are preparing the cover letter. So today I have given an outline for the items that you can include in your cover letter as a part of either you are sending it by email or you are attaching it separately when you are uploading to the company website. The first section of your cover letter shall be the opening remarks. And you can start your cover letter with certain salutations, for example, dear Miss or dear Mr. And if you are unsure about the gender of the person you are addressing, you can write the full name without Mr. or Miss. And if you don't know the recruiter's name at all, then you can simply write dear hiring manager. Some people used to write like to whom it may concerns, but I would not suggest it because it's very generic and somehow it is outdated. So the opening remarks shall be very relevant to the person you are addressing. And then comes the next section in your cover letter, reason. You need to give a reason why you are writing to hiring manager. And you can begin it by stating what jobs you are applying for. For example, you can write, I am writing to express my interest in the position XYZ, whatever position is being advertised. And then you need to explain how you came to know about the job opening. So you can give in your cover letter, for example, I came across your job posting and advertisement on LinkedIn, newspaper, or some social media, etc. Once you have done the background, then you need to tell about yourself and you need to mention it very briefly. So here I have given one example you can include. For example, I'm currently working as XYZ position with some company for last 2 years or 3 years, and I'm responsible for managing, leading the project management activities or sales or marketing, whatever is relevant to your job. Then you have to describe your education, and you can mention briefly about your education and qualification, and you need to also mention how it matches with the job requirement. So for example, I wrote here that I graduated from Harvard University with master's degree in XYZ field, and it is an exact match with the advertised job requirement. So this way you are telling the recruiter that your education and qualification is exact match what has been advertised. Once you have described your education, then you need to go to the next section which is relevant to your experience. So you need to briefly explain about your skills and the work experience, and also you need to highlight how it is matching with the job requirements. Personally, I would suggest that you use very tangible examples from your work experience rather than giving some generic statements. So for example, you can mention that, as you can see from my CV, I have over 15 years of experience in project management that is in line with your job description advertised for the position. So you need to make it relevant to the job which has been advertised, and you match your experience description accordingly. Also, a few other things to consider is that do not use very large paragraph of text. It will confuse the recruiters when he is reading your cover letter. So make it simple, make it bullet points like I have shown on the screen. 4 or 5 bullet points, and then you close your experience section by saying that I believe that my experience and skills are suitable for the role, as I have a great deal of experience in project management, sales, marketing, whatever field you are working for. So you need to little bit change it according to your own experience. Another important thing is to add is you need to tell to the company what you can offer to them if they selected you. So it is very important you in the cover letter you cover it. I have given some example here that if I'm sure that if I will be selected, I will value addition to the company growth using my diverse qualification, multinational experience, different regions of the world, different language skills, communication skills, etc. So you can mention these other skills or what value addition you can do if they hire you for the position. So it is very important to include it in the cover letter. Before closing your cover letter, you need to include some personal touch, yani some soft things about your personal life. So for example, you can include that you are married, you are a great father, you have a great wife, and you have beautiful kids. So you need to give it somehow some personal touch so that the recruiter can see your soft sides and your social life. So I highly recommend to include this section in your cover letter. After your all above introduction, experience, education, personal touch, here comes the closing para, where you will again mention that why you are a strong fit for the position, and also you need to tell them you are ready to discuss the opportunities with them. So I have given one example which you can include in your cover letter, but you can change it according to your or whatever position you are applying for. You can customize it according to your need. And last but not least, after the closing paragraph, you need to add your signature, either electronically if you are sending by email, or you sign the cover letter if you are submitting it as a hard copy or PDF file. So you can complement it by yours sincerely, and do not forget to add your telephone, mobile number or email address. So I have covered all the points which you need to fill in your cover letter. Comment with your email address, and I will send you one cover letter by email also, which I am actually using for last few years for my jobs. At the end, I would like to say do not forget to like, comment, reshare this video, and also please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and see you next time.